English is sometimes a bit easy. For example, we have the word to ask a question and to ask somebody to do something. It's the same word. That's not the case in most other languages. For example, in Portuguese, where you have perguntar and you have pedir. In this video, you're going to learn how to construct correct sentences with pedir. Welcome to Mixed Languages. I'm Mick. So we have pedir, and we can use it in several grammatical ways. We can say pedir and then a noun phrase afterwards. Pedir ajuda. Eu pedi ajuda a ela. Eu pedi ajuda a ela. And we can also use it with a verbal construction. We have two options here. We have a construction with para. Eu pedi para ela me ajudar. Eu pedi para ela me ajudar. And we can also say it like this. Eu pedi que ela me ajudasse. Eu pedi que ela me ajudasse. In this case, we are using ajudasse, which is a subjunctive, conjunctive form, which often is difficult to use for people who don't have Portuguese as their native language. Let's take another example. Eu gostaria de pedir para você não contar a ninguém. And let's take a third example. Isn't that what you asked for? Não foi isso que você pediu? Não foi isso que você pediu? Great, thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. I hope you learned something. Feel free to construct a sentence in the comments for you to use this expression, and also ask me any question you might have about the content of this video. Valeu, nos vemos!